At LangChain, we think a lot about what the future of agents look like, and then what tools can help people build those. So NVIDIA has Nemotron models that they release and inference endpoints that serve them. And so at LangChain, we integrate with those endpoints and we let anyone use any of those models. So NVIDIA has NeMo Agent Toolkit. We integrate with that to make agents faster and more reliable. NVIDIA has released a number of cutting-edge open source models, and we've made sure that those are integrated into LangChain and LangGraph and deep agents, and that the inference endpoints that NVIDIA stands up are supported as well. As people are starting to adopt agents more and more, specifically these coding agents that will write and execute code, we're partnering with NVIDIA around OpenShell. So OpenShell is a secure environment for writing and executing code, and together we've released Deep Agents OpenShell, which is a package that combines our Deep Agents package, this is our autonomous agent framework, with OpenShell, which is the secure runtime. And together this lets developers have both the best worlds of performance, but also security. One of the really big benefits of open models in particular is around cost. Everyone wants to be running these agents more and more. They want them to be proactive, running in the background, triggering them. And that just takes more and more tokens. And so if you're doing all of this with the most expensive models, that isn't really tenable. A third way that OpenClaw has changed the components that make up a successful agent is they've really put this idea of like a containerized runtime at the forefront of developers' minds. And the reason sandboxes are important is because if you have one computer and you want to run a bunch of different OpenClaws on it, you need to kind of give them all their own computing space. So if you talk about giving an OpenClaw access to a DGX Spark, for example, it can run all these GPU accelerated libraries that it might not be able to run on a simpler device. And so that's where I think this kind of like runtime for the agent is really important and will become a bigger and bigger factor as we give them more and more autonomy to do things.